Olafusi Alex Kolawole. This is Pencil and Eraser channel, also known as Beshamo Entrepreneur. Today, I want to talk about things that when you see them, if they persist, that you need to see your doctor immediately. So I've titled it, if symptoms persist, please see your doctor. Number one of it is frequent urination. Ordinarily, you urinate maybe once at night, or you don't urinate at all. But when it comes to urinating 3, 4, 5 times before the day break, you know something is wrong. It is time to see your doctor. 2, constipation, excessive thirst. You always want to drink water. It's a pointer for you to see your doctor. Persistent cough, sudden persistent cough, insomnia or sleeplessness, constant fatigue, you are easily tired, skin changes, especially skin around your breast, around your vulva, even as a man, around your pubic region. It may be time to see your doctor. Sudden irregular menstrual flow, whether it is too short or it's too heavy. Maybe you are between 3 to 5 days, suddenly it changes to 7 days, or your period usually lasts 28 days, 30 days, 26 days. It has extended to 40 days or reduced to less than 20 days. Something may be wrong. It is time to see your doctor. Amenorrhea, that is, you are not pregnant but you cannot see your menstruation. You must investigate the reason. Headache, constant headache, despite taking paracetamol or taking enough rest, you still continue to have headache. Dizziness, you feel dizzy, you feel lightheaded, you feel like falling down. Chest pain, sudden chest pain, that you have to crush your hand around your chest. Blood in urine, your urine has been normal, but suddenly it may be at the beginning of your urine, mid-urine, or at the end of your urine, any blood at all. It's a pointer that something is wrong. You may have to review what you have eaten, what you are drinking. But if after reviewing it, the symptom persists, please see your doctor. Blood in stool. Went to poo and you see blood in your stool, it's a danger sign. Severe itching, especially either a man or a woman around your pubic part, be other part of your body, just come on suddenly. Shortness of breath, just little exercise, you feel like your chest wants to fall down, you cannot breathe properly. Tingling sensation in your hand or in your leg. Tingling sensation, it's like your hand is drying up, there is no blood, you feel numb in your hand or in your leg. Tingling sensation, at times you feel like there is fire under your feet. Inability to urinate freely, especially as a man, as you age. It may be a sign of prostate enlargement, may be a sign of urinary tract infection, sudden erectile dysfunction, and premature ejaculation. You can fire very well, you can do the work of the other room very well, but suddenly, before you enter, you have come. Change in vision. The vision is very okay before, but suddenly you cannot see very well. And when you close one eye, the other one is not seeing very well, or both, you cannot see very well. You can read very well before, but suddenly you can't read again. Smelly discharge, especially in women. You have this discharge that is coming, that has foul. Well, let's just look at some of them and see the causes. And the number one is constipation. Constipation is going to toilet less than 3 times in a week. In some people it may be normal, but when you saw that go to toilet every day, when it comes to a time that you cannot go to toilet for 2-3 days, and you now have very hard stool, you may be suffering from constipation. Constipation may be as a result of not drinking enough water, may be as a result of lack of exercise, it may be as a result of medication. So when you begin to see that your toilet is reducing, you need to review what you do, how you take water, the food you eat. Maybe that there is no enough fiber in your diet. So you need to review what you eat, what you drink, how you drink it, how you vegetables and everything. If after doing that there is no improvement, you still can't go to toilet freely, your toilet is very, very hard, you feel pain, you strain before, it is time to see your doctor. It may also be changing your lifestyle when you just travel to somewhere and your body is trying to adjust, resulting in constipation. The thing is, the longer it takes for you to go, the more difficult it becomes to defecate. So if it takes you 2, 3, 4 days to defecate, at times simple medication may do, lifestyle modification like adding vegetables, incorporating vegetables and fruit in your diet, or taking water. But it gets to a state that it becomes very, very difficult, very, very serious. In that case, you need to see your doctor to look for what may be wrong with you. So it is time for you to see your doctor to investigate what could be the reason. Look at number 2, frequent urination. Maybe at night you always wake up once to urinate, but now you are waking up like 3, 4, 5 times. At times maybe as a result of the food you take. Maybe you took pap or some liquid diet. So let's look at some causes of frequent urination. One of it is kidney disease. Maybe as a result of kidney disease. Maybe as a result of taking too much water. It may be as a result of having temperature. You may have urinary tract infection. It may be as a result of diabetes, a metabolic disorder where sugar is excess in your blood and you need to expel it. It may be as a result of pregnancy, prostate problem, diuretic, you are taking some drug for IBP. It may cause you to urinate more. So it may be as a result of stroke, or you are at a point of developing stroke. It may be increased calcium in the blood. You may have hyperthyroidism, tuberculosis, excessive thirst, stomach upset, constipation, vomiting may be the cause of your frequent urination. So whatever it is, if after some days you are not getting over it, you have tried some home remedies and it's not working, it may be time to see your doctor. The next one is excessive thirst. You are thirsty. Polydipsia, you want to drink, you are drinking excessively. What are the causes? Increased exercise may make you to drink more water. If you take salty food, it may make you to drink more water. Dehydration, hot environment. If your environment is too hot, it may cause you to drink more water. Medication side effects. If you have burns or scarred, loss of blood. If you lose blood, you may want to drink more water. Vomiting, diarrhea, diabetes mellitus, diabetes insipidus. Let's look at insomnia and sleeplessness. That is persistent problem falling asleep or maintaining sleep. That is insomnia. Persistent problem in falling asleep or maintaining sleep. It may also be that you sleep or you feel like you have not rested very well. Insomnia may be from one night to many days, but it's become chronic when it's getting to 3 weeks. In that case, you must consult your doctor. Taking sleeping pills may help, to an extent, or you get to a stage and your body get used to some of the pills. So in that case, it becomes problem. Even when you take more, it becomes addictive. It not work. It may be caused by asthma, some medical conditions, maybe as a result of pain, arthritis, and so on and so forth. So whatever it is, if the symptom persists, please see your doctor. If you have persistent headache, you have taken some analgesics, but you are not getting okay, see your doctor. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make it a point of duty to do so. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to know when I drop new video. Then share this video. Thank you very much. Your health is important. Guard it jealously.